Hey, it's Boudreaux and Eunice on call. How y'all are today? Well, we got Miss Missy right here. It's a Labor Day weekend, Sunday. Oh, we got Big G over here too today. He ran to get her. Say hey, Randy.
Hello, everybody.
So, I don't know what y'all doing this Labor Day weekend. Y'all have a safe one though, but we cooking a big old beef chuck roast. Looky here, we got some Tony Satchery seasoning in there. Got some Cajun Power garlic sauce. We got some onions, celery, cloves of garlic. Missy's stuffing this roast right now. She cut a bunch of holes in there, and she's stuffing it with all them goodies. Good seasonings in there. Celery, garlic. I don't know. My mama never used to put bell pepper in there. Just garlic, onions, and that was it. So this is going to be like a step-by-step video. It's going to be, I don't know, about 10 minutes long altogether. But after this roast is stuffed and rubbed with the Cajun Power and the Tonys, and she wants to put a little cayenne pepper. Just a little sprinkle. We're going to do that too. Then we're making rice dressing. There's some dressing mix, Savoirs, made right down the road from here.
Potato salad.
Potato salad. Oh yeah. So what we're going to do, we're just going to pause the video and then continue on like when we go to put this in the pot. So this is one of the few videos that we make. We go through the whole process. Now Miss is going to sprinkle that. Some Tony Satchery is on there. Oh yeah, Tony's is the best. Tony's and K-Bone seasoning. I prefer the K-Bone seasoning. There's less salt. And we out of that stuff. So I got to go to the radio station about 4 or 5 blocks from my house and get some more. Say, Paul, hey, I need some more seasoning there. Yeah, buddy. Let's see, who I want to give a couple shout-outs to today. I should have got it up. Guy subscribed to me a while back, a few days ago. He came to Louisiana, he's from Florida. Pit Dog Barbecue. Barbecue Pit Dog. Yeah, that's it. Barbecue Pit Dog. And I think he's got some bulldogs, but he works on with the pit, the barrel pit barbecue. In fact, he went fishing over there in Big Lake, Calcasieu Lake, nickname's Big Lake, Southwest Louisiana. Said he had a blast. All right, Asher E. Give y'all a shout out over there. Fellow lawnmower mechanic, owns a shop and has a lawn service business. Yeah, if you got a lawn service business, you need to be a mechanic, that's for sure. Bruce Pender, my partner up in Canada. Let me see, Papa Texas. Oh yeah, Papa Texas. Got to give him a shout out with that Cajun Power. He did a video on it a while back. Some friends of mine down from Abbeville, Louisiana, they came up with that concoction, Cajun Power garlic sauce. They got some other products too. They got a spaghetti sauce, which is awesome. I've tried it. Comes in jars. See who else I need to give a shout out to. Let's see, I got Papa Texas in there, Bruce. Y'all go visit them guys on their channels. Let's see who else I can give a shout out to right quick. Oh, Drunken One over there in Mississippi. Yep, he just put up a video today. Hadn't had a chance to watch it yet. Let's see who else is around here I can give a shout out to. Oh yeah, Bayou Gardener, Web Cajun. Give him a shout out. He hadn't made videos in a while. Got the Bayou Gardener Forum. Y'all need to check that out. Join that up if y'all into gardening. And let's see, we're gonna be cooking that in that big old black iron cast iron pot right here. That's a big one right there. And there it goes on the stove. Alright, well, while she's greasing that pot up, heating it up, we're gonna put this on pause, and we'll come back when we get the roast in there. Catch y'all. Pluta. Hey, we back. On call. Missy just put it in there. I didn't realize. So, anyway, she got that pot real hot with a little cooking oil in it. And you see that brown and dark on that meat. Cooking it like that. Well, that's what's going to make the gravy. That's what's going to make the gravy. We call that the gruyere in French. Some people call it the gratin, but gratin is the dark rice on the bottom of the pot. But some people call that the gratin too. And once you deglaze the pot, after it's brown like that, then after you put your onions in it and all that, well, we'll come to that step after a while and show you all that. But, alright, there's another little segment right here. So, we'll catch y'all Pluta again. Alright, we back. On call. Missy's fixing to take this beef roast out of the pot. She added a little water to the bottom. And now she's putting it on the silver platter there. Oh yeah, look at that brown gravy. She added a little water. And there's some dressing mix she's cooking. Look, all these, we call these seasonings. Onions, bell peppers, celery, garlic. Call that the Trinity. The Cajun Trinity. That's going in there, and that's going to be fried down real good. Sweated, browned, darkened, real good. That's going to help make the gravy. That's a dark gravy already. And guess what? No kitchen bouquet. We don't. That's a no-no in South Louisiana. That's what they call that? A moral sin or blasphemy down here. So now she's gonna cut up the beef roast over there, so it can get a little more tender. I don't know. I can't see with this. Let me unplug this camera. Probably heard a couple of beeps. Just cutting that chuck roast up in manageable sizes. And then, oh, it's nice. Oh, that's perfect. If you want to eat that like that, it's tender. It's like a medium rare, medium well, or a medium. Not medium well, but medium. Oh, that would be awesome like that, just with some, no steak sauce, or with some good Lee and Perrin steak sauce. Not Lee and Perrin's Worcestershire sauce, Lee and Perrin steak sauce. They had that steak sauce years ago, and then Heinz 57 bought them out. And now it's back on the market again. It's back on the shelves. You got to ask for it if your store doesn't have it. But that was it was called the filet mignon of steak sauce. Alright, here we go. I'm doing a little stirring on this. You got to keep an eye on that, because that fire is all the way high. Turned it up, and they got some gruyere, some sticky stuff on the bottom of that pot. They got the gruyere. So we're going to cook this a little while longer, then we're going to add the meat. Yeah. We're going to add the meat in a few minutes. So, alright, we're going to catch y'all in a little bit. Alright, Pluta. Alright, we back again. On call. And that's what on call means in French. Again. Well, we fixing to make the rice dressing. Got the world famous, Cajun famous Hitachi rice cooker right there. They don't make those no more like that. My nana's got 230 cup rice cookers like that. That's a 10 cup. And there's the dressing mix, all cooked down with the seasonings in it. There's the chuck roast with that nice beautiful brown gravy. Oh yeah, it's a boiling. Let's see, do it slow, missy. There you go. Yeah, peachy. That's awesome. And that chuck roast is tender. We took a little bite of it earlier. Alright, Missy's fixing to add the rice. And we use that Mahatma water-made rice. Riviana Foods, made in Abbeville, Louisiana, my hometown. Just like Cajun Power garlic sauce. That's one of the biggest rice mills Riviana Foods has. They do the Mahatma rice, the water made, another variety, but we use long grain in our household. And I don't know how many cups of rice did you cook there, Miss Missy?
5.
5 cups of rice?
Yeah.
I'd have put 6 in this one. But you don't want it too dry. You don't want rice dressing too dry.
Yeah.
You want it moist.
Yeah, I don't like
Just like my jambalaya. You don't want jambalaya dry. You want a moist jambalaya. And there's 2 versions of jambalaya. You can put cooked rice in it, or you can put raw rice in your gravies. That's a traditional Cajun way. And in fact, I think she's gonna stir this around for a little bit. Then we're gonna check it to see how moist it is. All that steam coming out of there. All that steam coming out of there. And you put the lid on it. It's going to keep the moisture in it. Let's see. Stop stirring there for a sec, Miss Missy. Yeah. See how that rice dressing is coming out? Awesome. Yeah. Noise warning with the spoon. Okay. Put a little bit more rice there, Miss Missy. Put another spoon, a small spoon.
That's how I do mine. Like Matt.
Yeah. Matt V. Dream, buddy of mine. He loves Mrs. Rice dressing. He'll come over here to eat just that. He'll pass up a ribeye steak for a bowl of rice dressing. That's made by Miss Missy. Sometimes when I make it, I add ground pork to my dressing mix. Put about 3/4 of a pound of ground pork to my mix. Comes out awesome. And I know how to make my own dressing mix, but it's a lot of trouble. Alright, where's that potato salad at, Miss Missy? Take the lid off of that bowl. We're going to show that. This is going to be the end of the video, y'all. Oh, yeah. Beautiful potato salad. Got some green bell pepper, red bell pepper in there for the color.
Fine.
Oh, yeah. Cut real fine. Alright, y'all. I hope y'all enjoyed this little video I made there. Going on 14 minutes long. And Big G's ready to eat. So, anyway, we'll catch y'all plus tard.